I can't describe how it works, but it's phenomenal.
Essential.
Must have.
Great.
Amazing.
When I apply Deep Blue, I feel relief.
Cooling.
Soothing. I use Deep Blue every day.
After the training.
Physio sessions. The impact that Deep Blue has had on my recovery routine is that it helps me keep going.
It helps me to recover faster.
It helps me recover a lot. It's really handy.
The new format is really easy to apply. I really like it.
I love it.
We as physiotherapists use Deep Blue for regeneration, treatments, for recovery. The girls are using it before training, after training. We also use it for wellness therapy sessions, for meditation, and also sometimes to be relaxed and in a good mood.